Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today what I want to do is I'm going to review a beautiful palette. We're going to be reviewing by the Balm Day to Night, and this has a black eyeshadow primer. I've never heard of it in my life, but it has a black eyeshadow primer, and we're going to try that out today. I did two looks. We did two different styles. We did two different looks. Both you can wear every single day. If you want to know what I think about this palette and this black eyeshadow primer, then go ahead and keep watching. So what we are going to be reviewing is Day to Night Auto Balm Shadows on the Go. And it has 5 shimmers, 2 mattes, and a eyeshadow primer. But this eyeshadow primer, I can't fucking talk. This eyeshadow primer is actually black. So that's different because usually, you know, eyeshadow primers are like white or whatever. So look at that. Let's see what this says. Over here it says this convertible, for the black primer. So the black primer, this convertible primer will dramatically transform your shadow color. Use any of these matte shades as liners. Liner. I don't get it, what it means by liners. I don't know what it means by liners, but I already have my complexion on, but I did leave the baking, which is a Makeup Revolution setting powder under my eyes, just so that if we have any fallout from our eyeshadow, that it's going to be pretty easy to wipe away. Eyebrows are also done. I already did this eye. If you guys want to see how I did this look, I did use it using this palette as well. Go ahead and stick around after I show you this look. I want to play around a little bit and do something different than this eye. So what I want to do with this eye first is I want to start with some transition colors. Go into Las Vegas, and I want to go ahead and just put that base down. Wow, that would be so pretty on top of some concealer. 100%. And then I'm going to go into Hollywood. And I'm going to focus that in my crease as well. That is super pretty. These two matte colors are actually really gorgeous, and I really underestimated them. Looks so cute. So where are we going to put the black primer is the question. What we can do, maybe we could do a little bit of like a halo. So let's dip into the black primer, and I'm gonna kind of start here, and I'm gonna follow the shape of my eye and pull down, and I'm gonna go like about halfway, just like that. That looks about right. And then I'm gonna go and dip in my primer one more time, and I'm gonna go over here, mark out where I think my eyeliner is gonna be, and I'm gonna go ahead and color in on this side. And I'm being kind of rough with it just because we're gonna blend it out. So now that we have like these kind of black spots on both sides of our eye, I'm going to go in with my brush, and I'm gonna go into, I don't know which color I want to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do Hate Street. Whoa, 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 fall out of clock. Wow, it looks super cute, dude. I'm gonna go above our primer a little and go a little bit over where our primer line was. Wow, you don't even see the black at all. We do have a lot of fallout, plenty of fallout. So since there's so much fallout, I'll just pick up whatever fell. And we're gonna go over here, cover all the the spots where we put that black primer. Bring it a little bit towards the center. Softly. I'm barely applying any pressure. Let me get this fall out. I want to just get some concealer and put some in the middle. Just like that. We're going to dip into Las Vegas. And we're going to go over that concealer. And go ahead and blend that in with Hate on both sides. I'm doing super small motions where those two colors meet, just so that the blue isn't bleeding into the white that I just put down. And then I'm gonna go back with my Hate brush and just go in over it one more time, softly, barely any pressure, over here on this side too. And this is gonna help us blend as well. Beautiful. Now look at that. And then I'm gonna just grab my blending brush and just kind of go over up here and soften that up a little bit. Wow, that looks so nice. That's a beautiful color. Wow. Okay, let's put something in our lower lash line. Wow, that looks so cute. So let's try. So I'm gonna use this angle brush. It's gel. It's gel. Let's see.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I'm gonna go ahead and like do like a wing with this, I guess. That's like around where I would want it to go. Okay. So the application so far is really smooth. It's a little bit like oily, a little bit like residue-ish. I really like the payoff so far. I'm gonna have to clean that shit up. So I just went straight in with that because I just wanted to try it. But so far, the payoff is like, damn, like, that was pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I honestly want to do Beacon. Holy whoa. So far it's beautiful. It does look way different than what's in the pan, but I do like what is coming on. I'm gonna come out here also though. Wow. They really did just transform the color. Like, it is a way different color, but it's still pretty dark. Still pretty dark. I guess I'm just gonna have to go in with it more. I mean, I really like this color though. Let me go into my crease. I'm gonna go into Hollywood. I'm gonna just go into that. Back and forth motions. Definitely multiple back and forth. What am I talking about? So I'm just keep going back and forth until I'm getting a nice transition shade. Wow, that's a beautiful color. Now that is something right there. This is cute, dude. Wow. We can get some more Beacon really quick. Just go right here. I want to do a little bit of Vermeer in my inner corner. Oh my God, yes. That is exactly what that color needed, dude. What? That is gorgeous. Yes, that is super cute, dude. Cool. I don't know what I want to put under my under eye. Maybe we'll do something from the mini breaker. There's a lot of beautiful purples in there. I felt like there was gonna be like a commercial and it was gonna be like, man. I think I'm gonna take a candy break. Gummies. I hate blue raspberry flavored stuff. It's like fake fruit. Got a blue one. I'm gonna go in with my black primer again, and I'm gonna just go a little bit under my eye, about halfway. And now I'm gonna go into Beacon again.
No, darling.
I totally hate that. I put on some lashes and some lipstick. I'm gonna tell you my final thoughts. So I'm gonna tell you my final thoughts on the Day to Night palette. There's the shimmers, the mattes, and the black primer. We used the whole palette. I loved the black primer. You can't even tell that there was black under it or anything like that. You can't even tell that there was black. You can't even tell that there was black under it at all. I love it, and it pairs well with with any highlight pretty much. I would say more of like a white undertone highlight, a pearl undertone highlight. Okay, and then over here we did more of a halo eye. My lash is still trying to glue, honey. The black primer is on this side and on this side over here. And again, you can't even tell that there was black anywhere on our eyelid. You can't even tell that there was black anywhere. The color that we used was Hate Street, and it was a blue color, and I would say that this is the color closest to what it looked like in the pan compared to Beacon. Of course, we didn't try the other colors with the black primer, but we did try the blue one compared to the holographic one. The holographic one ended up being more purple than anything. This one stayed true to the color in the pan. It's practically the same blue. I would say it actually went a little bit lighter rather than being darker. We did our transitions first, and we started with Las Vegas, which was a beautiful base color. I'm probably going to use Las Vegas for a base color, even if I'm not using any of these metallics. I will say I did bring up the black primer a bit too high. I would have wanted to blend this a little less, like not a little less, a little lower. But I did bring the black primer up a little bit too high. That's the only thing. Wherever you put that black primer, like wherever you put it opaquely, the glitter is going to stick opaquely. So whereas in the center where I didn't put my primer opaquely, I didn't put it where it was just solid black, I was able to blend it better just because there was less product there. All in all, I would say that I really love this palette. I'm not a metallic eyeshadow type of person, but I really love this palette and I would totally recommend it. But make sure to like and subscribe. Comment what you guys want to see, and yeah, bye.